Today I'm going to be reviewing this iPhone 17 Pro case. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, it comes in a simple box just like this. Let's go ahead and take it out. Very, very nice. What I like about this phone case is that it actually includes a screen protector along with the phone case. So you are actually getting two things for the price of one. I went ahead and took out the phone case and take a look. On the left-hand side here, I have the screen protector, iPhone 17 Pro. It also has the camera protector, the installation package, and the screen protector itself. You get the camera lens cover, the installation package, and you also get the screen protector itself. And this is what the case looks like. As you can see on the inside, it does have a magnet. So this is a MagSafe case. Now I'm going to go ahead and place the phone in there. Very, very easy to do. Everything aligns perfectly. So this right here is also covered. The button right here on the side, everything fits snug, fits perfect. Everything aligns well. Take a look at the bottom. Now the speakers down here are exposed. The charging port is exposed as well. Very, very nice. It fits very nicely, and this is available in a variety of colors, and it's also available in a variety of models. Now this is a silicone case, but it is very, very nice. I like how well it fits everything, and also although it is a silicone case, I do want to mention that the sides are hard plastic along the edges, and the case itself on the outer shell, it is silicone, but it will protect your phone, especially around the edges. So if you've been on the lookout not only for a phone case, but the installation kit as well, something to protect your camera, your screen, and also comes with the installation kit, then definitely check this one out. I absolutely love that everything you need is included to protect your phone. So if you'd like to check out the different styles and colors that they have available, I'll go ahead and link it down below, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.